So this is a little kind of tropical corner of our yard, and I just wanted to show it just because it looks really cool, and kind of show how the plants are growing, especially now that it is June and things are starting to go pretty quickly since it's starting to get more hot out. So if you were subscribed to this channel in the past, I'm basically going to be making videos about plants, tropical plants, subtropical plants, or pretty much anything that I find kind of neat. So if you're wondering why I'm suddenly uploading a bunch of plant videos, that's why. So I'm going to go ahead and walk through this little part of the garden just because it looks pretty neat, and there's a bunch of things in here that I want to show everyone. So this right here is a Manfreda virginica, or it's also known as a false aloe. So some people kind of describe it as a temperate agave. I don't know if it is related to agaves, I believe, or it technically is an agave, something like that, but I'm not 100% sure how it works. I've seen it labeled as agave virginica before, but right now I believe it's called Manfreda virginica, but it's native to the US, more in the central part of the country. But here is a flower stalk that's forming on it. Typically the plant just looks like this. It does look really cool and it's pretty neat. They're perennial, so they come back every spring and start popping up. I just wanted to show that. I also wanted to show that I got some more over here as well. There's a little one. But I got this Musa basjoo, which I pretty much transplanted from back there just because I had an old clump. So I threw it back there, and that's why it looks kind of a little bit dehydrated. But yeah, it should do pretty good. I also have my hole right there that I had to fill in because something was digging it up. And these are my little, I believe they're called Largeleaf Pennywort is the technical name for them, but I just call them dollarweed. It grows on the coastline, but they do grow here as well. I'm not sure if they're technically native here, but I've seen them quite a bit in a few locations around here, and I've even seen them farther inland than here. So they should be, you know, fine here. I don't think they're necessarily invasive. These have been here for probably 3 years now. This is their 3rd year, and they spread, but they don't spread too much. Now I'm sure that in places that are a bit warmer, they spread a lot more, but so far they haven't spread a lot. Although if you don't want something to potentially spread, I definitely wouldn't plant this. And this is the big one. This is my needle palm, and it's actually flowering right there. I planted this in either 2015 or 2016. I'm not 100% sure, but you can see those flowers forming on it, which are pretty neat down there. They're really small. I don't think it gets any viable seeds, since this palm does have female and male palms, and I believe that, well, this one is a female because it gets seeds, but I don't think that they're viable. But it is still really neat, and it is huge. You can see from right here just how big this palm is. Very cold tolerant, and it never has to be worried about in the winter. So yeah, that's pretty much what's here. It's just Musa basjoo, Manfreda virginica, and some dollar weeds. I'll probably add some things later on in the summer, or well, probably not too late for now. But yeah, all this stuff will get really big, and I'll probably give an update as well. So this is zone 7B, Virginia, near Richmond. That's on the new zone map. The old zone map, we were kind of on the edge of 7A and 7B. But I still kind of consider this area, you know, zone 7A/7B. It's not really, you know, the zone map being updated didn't just magically change the climate overnight. So we can still get pretty cold, but fortunately we are just warm enough to grow some pretty cool stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show those. I actually kind of pushed this. I don't think no, I thought I bent it for a second, but no, those flower stalks are pretty cool. They kind of move around and follow the sun. But yeah, just wanted to go ahead and show that. And I'll have more videos coming soon.